nurse, teacher, doctor, fireman, mailman, hospital, airport, library, house, school, nails, axe, saw, screwdriver, hammer, envelopes, sharpener, calculator, chalk, rubber bands. The small dog is inside the cage. An elephant is standing on a man. A little girl is giving a flower to a big elephant. The starfish is sunbathing with eyeglasses. Two princesses are sitting in the castle. Lovely!